Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go up and make an expanding flat wave C. I think this over here is a wave A. I think this is big 3 waves down for an A, B, C, or B. I think we're going out for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C, which I think is going to end up being an expanding flat. And once that's completed, probably will make a big move to the downside, but this is the monthly time frame, so that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly, I'm still looking at this as possibly 5 waves up for 1. I still think this is likely to be a WXY, like a wave 2, and I still think there's a very good chance this weekly time frame will continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame, we definitely got to push down. Last few trading days, we definitely have been pretty bearish. We do have a breaker structure to the downside, so there's a pretty good chance that at least this whole wave up is over. If this wave up is over, then there is definitely a chance that it makes a much, much bigger correction, like a subdivision 1, subdivision 2, and subdivision 3. But for now, I am definitely keeping an eye on my Fibonacci levels for evidence of an end of a trend, because there is definitely a chance that this does just keep on trending up, especially because I do suspect we're in a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure to the downside, but to me this kind of looks like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I kind of think this is a double 3, 3 waves down for A, 3 waves up for B, and this kind of looks like it could be 5 waves down for C. If this is an expanding flat, which it looks like it might be, then it definitely could bounce off one of these 2 fibs and just continue the uptrend, all part of that big wave 3 on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, if this really is part of an expanding flat like I was just explaining on the 4 hour time frame, then this would be a wave C and this would go up and it would break structure, proving that the trend is over and proving that the wave C is over and that the correction is over on the higher time frames. Now, unless you see this picture right here with the breaker structure to the upside, I don't think I would become bullish. If it breaks structure, then definitely start looking for longs at the end of all pullbacks. If it doesn't break structure but instead makes more lower highs and just keeps on trending down, then definitely keep looking for shorts. So no breaker structure, no longs. If it does break a structure, start looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.